Hi, my name is Parth Nayak and I'm a first year undergrad studying CSE at Bennett University. Despite being in the college for what can be considered an incredibly short amount of time, it's been a complete life-changing journey so far. I was able to launch my startup, Shahraa, right from the first semester of my college. And I've been constantly trying to scale this startup under the mentorship of Vinod Shastri sir. The guidance and the resources provided here by the faculty at Bennett has been tremendously helpful in creating great projects like these. And of course, all work and no play can make Jack a dull boy. And Bennett has got you covered there too. Bennett has all these exciting clubs like Advaita, Spark, and also I am the secretary of the newly formed Food and Cuisine Club. You can become a part of core team of any of these clubs and learn the other set of skills that are important of life, like management, teamwork, hard work. And of course, the memories and the friendships you create are going to be timeless. Bennett has the resources to help you achieve everything and anything that you want in life. It's just you who has to decide.